Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is doing well and keeping safe. Now in this video, it's a quick clean video guys. It's just me home today and decided I'm gonna get up and get this house together. It is in a mess, but still yet is not that bad. The dirtiest place right now is my bathroom and I need to tackle it. I am in here now and I'm showing you the products I've already put in the bathroom to pre-soak it and to get it going so that when I do come in to clean, I won't have to spend a lot of time, putting my muscles to scrub. So this is what I normally put on the floor in the bathroom to get up all of those dirt from there. It does a good job, but where I really wanted it to do is to get out the stain that's there forever. But yeah, that is for another, I don't know, I have to find something for that. So guys, as you know, my house is doesn't really be that dirty, so it's mostly surface clean I's be doing. We are busy, my family is very busy, nobody don't really be home. We randomly be home, and when we do get home, it's mostly for us to just shower, eat something and get in our bed. So the house don't really get that dirty. So I hope this is motivating for you. I hope this inspires you to get up in yours if yours need cleaning and do your stuff. If not, well guys, sit down, get your cup of coffee or a little soda and just sit back and relax and enjoy.
I wish I could tell you that I want you here with me, but you'll never love me like the way we used to be. Too far from Saturn, lost in the patterns. Where's the stars align so we could be free? Palms are sweaty, knees unsteady. I can't see my head on straight. Heart is heavy, wasn't ready. Don't think I can see your face. Now we're just friends. How long till that ends? It feels like forever away. Yeah, we're on, and we're on. It will never be enough. Now we're gone, and we're on. No, I wish I could tell you that I want you here with me, but you'll never love me like the way we used to be. Too far from Saturn, lost in the patterns. Where's the stars align so we could be free? Palms are sweaty, knees unsteady. I can't see my head on straight. Heart is heavy, wasn't ready. Don't think I can see your face. Now we're just friends. How long till that ends? It feels like forever away.
Alright guys, so we are all done. I hope you got through to do yours as well. For those of you who just needed the motivation and you actually was and you got up and you clean. So guys, we are now at the end. Look at the reveal. Look at how the bathroom, look at how the ground is clean and shiny, guys. Ooh, to love when I get up and clean, guys. I love a clean house. It's just be so satisfying, and the smell and everything will just be so good. I just feel so much better, guys. So as you can see, it's all clean and tidy. Yes, guys, you know me, I don't like a lot of decorating and them kind of stuff. I'm very simple. I love a simple environment, simple decor. I can't deal with all of the clutter. It's just feel too cluttered to me when you have a lot of decorations and a lot of ornaments and them kind of stuff. The girl don't like that. As you can see, my kitchen is clean. My daughter is in there, so I didn't film the sink part. Guys, this is a little hack that I actually came up with by taking your body mist, guys. This one here, I am actually using it in the house because to me it must smell like an air freshener than an actual perfume body mist. So when I meet up body mist like this, guys, I purchase it and I use it in the house like this. I spray it on the curtain after cleaning, on the mats and everything, and it just gives the house that fresh nice smell, that sweet nice smell without the air freshener. Although in the bathroom here I have one of the oil air fresheners, but it's very subtle, so by adding this it just light it up a bit more. I spray it all on my chairs, my couches and everything, guys, and this had the house smelling so nice for hours on end. So once I am home daily, I would do this. Sometime if I remember and I get the time, guys, before I leave for the morning, I will actually do it as well, because you know the house shut up all day. So by the time you come home, at least it will still have nice smell when you enter, because the house ain't air out for the whole day. And when we do leave for the morning, nobody don't get back until late, sometime in the night. So yeah, guys, so this is a good hack I wanted to share with you guys, and it's safe for your furnitures and everything, because it's safe for your body. You could spray it on your clothes and it don't stain. You have to be careful which one you're actually using, guys, because you know some of them just stain. So just be careful of the one that you are using, that it do not stain your furnitures and your mats and so forth. But yeah, So guys, again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please comment down below what you would like to see me do next. Comment as well your favorite videos so that I will know what to post most of the time, because I don't want to be posting things that you guys are not, you know, interested in. Here I am actually showing you the kitchen mats that I went and scrubbed outside. So they're hanging out drying. I also cleaned my steps, the steps leading up to my apartment. I cleaned it and it's all clean, guys. I too love cleaning. Guys, I love you guys and see you guys in the next one. Bye.